up there, crew? Matt here with TRW. In this quick video, I'm going to do a little test. I'm going to see if we can press reflective heat transfer vinyl, layer that on top of a glitter heat transfer vinyl, and then layer that on top of the Bling Anything. And we're going to contour cut the Bling Anything to turn it into a glitter reflective car window decal and see how it turns out. Stick around to see how. Alright, so we're over here in the TRW Design Wizard and CorelDRAW software, and I'm using my TRW Superscript 1 font. So you can see super easy. I just type out Girl Boss. I hit the left parentheses. That gave me that heart with the swirl. Now I created a boundary around this, or a contour. That's going to give me where I'm going to use my white glitter. And then what I want to do for the Bling Anything material is I want to create another contour or boundary around it so we can cut the Bling Anything material as well. So you're seeing basically 3 layers layered on top of each other right here. And I'm just showing it in black so you can see it a little bit easier. So once we have that, we're going to get our cut files ready. We're going to mirror the heat transfer vinyl, but not the Bling Anything material, right? And now let's send it to the cutter. So I'm cutting the Berry Blast reflective heat transfer vinyl here. Going to go ahead and weed that, and we have that part of the design done. Now this is our TRW exclusive Berry Blast that's available on the website, and I'm going to put the links for everything in the description below of this YouTube video. So once we get the Berry Blast weeded here, then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and load the white rainbow glitter heat transfer vinyl into our Graphtec cutter. And I'm going to go ahead and weed this. So the cutter I'm using is the Graphtec CE6040, which is a 15-inch version of the Graphtec cutter, which is awesome for a desktop. So now that we have everything done, I lined it up, and now I'm going to cut our Bling Anything material. Now this material is what we're pressing the glitter t-shirt vinyl to turn it into a sticker or a decal. So it can be applied to a computer laptop. It can be applied to a car window, whatever we want. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and bring it over to our heat press. I'm at about 315 degrees. I put my glitter onto the Bling Anything material, and then I'm going to layer the reflective right on top of the glitter. Press that for about 3 to 5 seconds, and we now have a finished decal. So let it cool for a minute before you peel it, and we're ready to go. So we could hand this to the customer now, but what's really cool, you can see how awesome it looks with the light on it to give that reflective look. This is going to look amazing at night on the back of a car window. So let's go ahead and get this applied to the car window, and I'm going to do a wet application for this applying. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it with just water. I'm going to clean the window off here, and then we're going to peel it off of the carrier sheet. Now I'm going to spray the back of the Bling Anything pretty good with this water here, just so it doesn't adhere right away and I can move the decal around pretty easy. Because when the decal's like this with letters, it is pretty flimsy. Once we're good, I'm just going to go ahead and pat it with a paper towel here. That's going to help dry it off. The sun will hit it a little bit, get rid of all that moisture, and we have ourselves a finished glitter with reflective car window decal. Pretty amazing. I'm sure you haven't seen a lot of these out there, right? So what do you guys think? I think it turned out pretty freaking awesome. Honestly, even better than I thought it was going to turn out. The reflective looks super sweet on that glitter. It didn't give any type of texture or anything. Applied easily with that wet application. The contour cut worked perfectly. So now we're going to let it stay on this card for a while, see how the reflective handles the sunlight, because that's the one thing I'm not sure of. So we'll keep you updated with the testing on this, but right now, if you're using it indoors on a computer laptop, a cell phone case, whatever, anything indoors, 100% do it, sell it, it's going to be awesome. We'll keep you updated on the outdoor UV test as well. So thanks for watching. Of course, make sure to click that like button, click that subscribe button, the little bell right next to it. And if you want to see some other awesome videos, right there, and subscribe right there. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon. Later.